In the labyrinth of life, where shadows dance and fate weaves its enigmatic tapestry, rejection emerges as a silent harbinger. Yet, within the Stoic embrace of Marcus Aurelius, rejection becomes not a foe, but a clandestine ally. Today, let us embark on a journey into the heart of Stoicism, unraveling the profound wisdom that transforms rejection into a catalyst for self-mastery. Lesson 1: The Stoic Alchemy. In the crucible of rejection, we, as Stoic alchemists, transmute the lead of disappointment into the gold of resilience. Aurelius, with a wisdom befitting an emperor-philosopher, said, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." Reject the external clamor, find the alchemy within, where rejection is but a raw material for the forging of inner fortitude. Lesson 2: Stoic Indifference. Picture rejection as the tempest that rages beyond the walls of our Stoic fortress. Seneca, the Stoic luminary, once whispered, "He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary." Stoic indifference is our shield, deflecting the arrows of external judgment. In the calm eye of rejection's storm, we find the sanctuary of our inner citadel. Lesson 3: The Stoic's Gaze. Stoicism invites us to gaze into the abyss of rejection without flinching. As Epictetus cautioned, we cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Look not away from rejection, confront it with the unwavering gaze of a Stoic, for within that confrontation lies the path to self-control. Lesson 4: The Dance with Destiny. In the Stoic ballet, rejection is but a partner, leading us in a dance with destiny. Zeno of Citium, the Stoic architect, once declared, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." The dance requires not resistance but harmony, a symphony of understanding rejection as the subtle choreography of fate, guiding us toward our true purpose. Lesson 5: Virtue Amidst Shadows. In the shadowy realms of rejection, virtue becomes our guiding light. Seneca, a Stoic beacon, proclaimed, "He who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive." So too, he who fears rejection will never embrace the path of virtue. In the crucible of rejection, virtue emerges as the luminous jewel, untouched by the darkness that surrounds it. Lesson 6: The Stoic Brotherhood. Within the Stoic Brotherhood, rejection becomes a shared odyssey. Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, we stand shoulder to shoulder with these titans. As Seneca wisely noted, true happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. The Stoic Brotherhood is our present, a communion that transcends the trials of rejection. Lesson 7: The Stoic Silence. In the symphony of life, rejection often echoes as dissonance. Yet, the Stoic cultivates a silence that transcends the cacophony. Epictetus, the Stoic sage, urged, "We have 2 ears and one mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. Silence is not absence but presence, a Stoic response that transforms rejection into a melody of self-control. Lesson 8. The impermanence of storms. In the Stoic cosmos, storms of rejection are but fleeting tempests. As Aurelius mused, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injustice. The Stoic, resilient and patient, knows that the storm will pass, leaving behind the tranquil shores of self-mastery. Lesson 9. The Stoic's legacy. Stoicism is not a solitary endeavor, it is a legacy woven by the hands of those who came before us. Marcus Aurelius, our Stoic patriarch, bequeathed wisdom with words like, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." In the footsteps of these Stoic giants, we carve our legacy, a testament to the transformative power of rejection. Lesson 10. The Stoic's Oath. In the shadow of rejection, we, the Stoic brethren, raise our oath. We shall not be swayed by the whims of fortune. In rejection, we find our strength, in adversity, our triumph. Let the Stoic's oath be the beacon that guides us through the darkest hours, for within rejection, we forge the resilience of a Stoic soul. As we conclude this journey into the heart of Stoicism, let the echoes of these lessons resonate within. The Stoic path is not a retreat from rejection, but a courageous embrace, turning adversity into the crucible of self-mastery. May the Stoic within you rise, for in rejection's shadow, the true Stoic finds the illumination of a profound and resilient soul.